Hi, my name is Mustaq Alam. Today I am presenting a privacy-first Web3 e-commerce decentralized app powered by AI and smart contract Escrow. In traditional online shopping, users are forced to share sensitive personal information, email, phone number, bank detail, and even identity documents. This data is centralized, stored permanently, and often sold to third parties, leading to privacy loss, spam, and fraud. My idea is simple. What if your crypto wallet was your only identity? No sign up, no email, no phone number, no personal data. This DApp allows user to buy and sell using only a wallet connection, while AI and smart contract handle trust, risk, and payment. Let me show you how it works. If you go to the bottom, then you will be able to see if the amount under 200 MNEE AI auto approve, and if exceed the amount 200 MNEE admin verification required. So let's begin. First, connect the wallet. Connected. Now let me show you the RPC of Etherlink. I have been connected, so it is. Let me click on it. Edit. Now Etherlink Shadownet testnet, and you can see the RPC URL and the chain ID 127823. So first I am buying a product blockchain book which is 30 MNEE, which is less than 200 MNEE. Go to cart, place order, pay with escrow, confirm, confirm. Yeah, it's good to go. Your card is empty. Now my order, refresh order. So you can see order 2. It was done before this one. Now request refund, confirm. So here it is refunded. Now let me add more than the amount 200 MNE. Go to product, add all of these, go to cart, pay with escrow, confirm, confirm. So cart is empty. Now my order, refresh order. So here it is hold payment. Now let me switch my user account to admin account. Admin, refresh the page, connect wallet, connected. Now admin panel, refresh the order. So here it is. You can see the order 1 and the order 2 is already refunded. Now order 3, let me approve this payment. Confirm. Yeah, order status updated. User will see approval. Here you can see is paid. Now let me switch the wallet to user. I'm using user 2. So refresh the page, connect. Now my order, refresh order. Oh, sorry for that. It was user 3, not 2. User 3, refresh, connect. My order, refresh order. Here it is. 1 is paid, 2nd is refunded, 3rd is also paid, which is more than 260 MNEE. So prototype I have deployed on my Hostinger VPS, which is on myprod.store. But still, if you want to run locally, then first of all, you will have to start your local blockchain, then deploy the contract, then start the backend, then start the AI, then start the front end, then fund your wallet, then update these pages with your current wallet account, contract account. Once you done this all step, then this DApp will be run locally. I hope you like this video. Happy learning.